Welcome. If you're looking to clean up your inbox and delete conversations on X, formerly known as Twitter, using your PC, you're in the right place. With the latest update, managing your messages is easier than ever. Let's walk through the simple steps to permanently remove a conversation from your messages. First, open your preferred web browser and head to the X platform. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main page, look to the left sidebar and click on the Messages tab. This is where all your direct message conversations are stored. Now take a moment to find the conversation you want to delete. Hover your mouse over that conversation in the list. As you do, you'll notice 3 dots appear. This is the More Options menu. Click on those 3 dots to open a drop-down menu. From the list of options, select Delete Conversation. A confirmation prompt will appear, asking if you're sure you want to remove this conversation. Double-check that you've selected the correct chat. This action will permanently erase the conversation from your inbox. Once you're certain, confirm the step. The conversation will disappear from your messages, helping you keep your inbox tidy and organized. Remember, deleting a conversation only removes it from your account. The other person will still have access to the chat on their end. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can quickly delete any unwanted conversations on X using your PC. Keeping your messages organized not only declutters your inbox, but also helps you focus on the conversations that matter most to you. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with others who might need a little inbox cleanup. Stay organized and enjoy your experience on X.